Good morning, one and all. Briefly introducing the project web interface for folder integrity and validation JavaScript. And myself Kiran Babu and my teammates are Lohit P. Jyotraditya. And our name of the guide is P. Bharati Ma'am, Assistant Professor. Abstract focuses on the robust folder comprehensive tool development. It identifies the discrepancies between the folder sets via metadata and content analysis. And the key goals is empathize the key goals such as iterative UI, fast comprehensive algorithm, and also reliable error handling. And discuss the benefits like improved data integrity, enhance management, and time saving automation. And also it shows the data management offices across industries with eco-friendly tools. Existing system Microsoft System File Checker SFC is a robust folder integrity checker integrated to Windows. It also scans and verifies the integrity of all protected system files and replaces with any other corrupted or any modified files with the correct version from the cache or installation source. Utilizes the files signature and catalog files for verification, and it also ensures the critical system file remains secure and interact, and provides a reliable defense against the system corruption and unauthorized access. Proposed system introducing a custom built folder integrity checker, and the custom built folder integrity checker includes the web-based interface and advanced hashing algorithms for integrity checkers, mentioning the use of HTML and Python, and also the comprehensive solution offered by the full stack approach. And this is the user-friendly access and management. And the checker operates the Python script and performs the methodological directory scans and file comprehensions and integrity validations. It also advanced the hashing algorithms to detect any other altering offering details reports and alters. And also the full stack approach ensures the seamless operation from the backend logic to front end logic and make it solution for the maintaining data integrity. UML diagrams. First use case diagram. First we have to select the folder 1 and folder 2. We have the collected the files and send the request to the backend and compare the files and generate the result by comparing file 1 and file 1 to file 2, and it receives the results and displays the results and shows the missing files, different files and the same files. This is the use case diagram in the unified modeling language. Class diagram. Here we can see the main folder integrity checker is a main class. It has having the subclasses like integrity report, comprehension report, file scanner, and file metadata, where the each class contains that each type of methods like check integrity folder path, and also the in integrity report status string get the status details get details comprehension report differences get differences file scanner scan folder and its path by using the file metadata. Activity diagram, where the behavioral diagram used in the UML diagram to illustrate the dynamic characteristics and the version of the flowchart that says that the activity flow from one activity to another level of activity. Example: start, select the folder and also select the folder 2 and click the compare button, read the file from folder and compare the file content. The decision will be taken file is matched or not matched. If yes, displays the file matches and end. And also if no, display the differences, it identify the missing files and highlights the differences and terminate. Deployment behavior diagram used in the UML diagram for and to illustrate the dynamic characteristics, and is a complex version of the flow chart that depicts the flow of event or information from one activity to the another activity. Example: folder integrity and comparison checker, where the client user which is using HTML or Java frontend, and it sends the request. Where get the request to the server. It is having the Python module like Flask in backend. It is having some of them are modules like file comprehension logic, request handling endpoints, and responsive generates. System architecture, user interface. The user interacts with the system through the web browser interface, which provides a user-friendly provides for managing folder integrity checker, and also the folder checking UI. Highlight the role of the folder selection UI, where user can select the folder they want to compare and verify, and also the compression service, compression API, file reader, compression logic. File reader responsible for reading the files and selection of the selected files. Comprehension logic, the key logic that comprehends the file identifier and scripts and generates the detailed report. Check integrity function start. Call check integrity. The function instead of the process to check the integrity of the selected folders. Input validation. Check for the folder selection. The algorithm ensures that two folders are selected by the user or not. Validation message. If no folder is selected or only one folder is selected, then it displays the message like please select the two folders and stops forward execution. And third step, extract the file names. Retrieves from both folders, folder 1 file name and folder 2 file name. Construct and result. Construct the result. Initiatively HTML structure. Prepares the HTML structure to display the result and also append the results. Adds the integrate to check result to be HTML and showing whether files are inactive or if there are any descriptions. Display the result. Output in the results section. The final results are displayed in the designer section. Typically, a div element with ID result on the web page. Function will be ended. Algorithm compare folders. Function start. Call compare folders. This function is intended to start the comparison of the process. Input validation. Check the input folders. The algorithm first checks if two folders have been selected by the user or not. Validation message. If no folder is selected or one folder is selected, then it displays the message please select two folders and function is returned without proceeding furtherly. Extract file name from folder 1 and 2. The files extract the file names from the two selected folders, folder 1 file and folder 2 file. Find missing files, identify the differences. Files missing in folder 1, list files present in folder 2 but not in 1. Files missing in folder 2, list files present in folder 1 but not in 2. Construct result, iterate to the result structure. Set up the HTML structure and display the result. Appending the missing files, add the missing files from both the folders and both the folders to structure. Display the result. Result. Folder comparator. First we have to choose the folder and folders, file 1 and file 2. We have to compare folders. Missing files in the folder 1 will be displayed, and we can also check the integrity by clicking on check integrity. The button is placed on right side, right corner. Here it is, integrity checker result. Folder 1, we can see that selected folders 14,000 some odd and also 6,000, and remaining are integrity folders. We can see the both of two. And also conclusion. The folder integrity checker is a robust tool designed to ensure the reliability and security of your file system. And it is also a web-based interaction with powerful backend processing, and it provides a comprehensive solution for the folder comparison and integrity verification. This project underscores the importance of the data integrity, and today's in digital landscape helps the user to detect unauthorized changes and prevent the data losses. And it is also implementing such as a system not only ensures the data management practices but also fulfills the overall security framework. Thank you, thank you for all exploring. Thank you for all exploring the folder integrity checker, and we hope it provides invaluable to manage your data.